like we got a broad idea about, see, why on earth am I going to masters? Why should I go to masters? We looked at it in a broad perspective. So we looked at what is the end goal after masters. See, am I going to go because I want to get a better job there? So that means I need to get a better skill set and so on. And then the other thing is we looked at, no, I'm going for research, and we looked at that. Okay. Now if you have selected, if you come in for the profile building, you will be still able to choose your 17 to 12 schools based on this criteria. If you come for the admissions consulting services, we will be giving you the list of say 12 to 17 schools, right? So you don't have to necessarily worry. Okay. So this was the first thing that we did, okay, to understand like why on earth are we applying to master's program or PhD program and so on. And now comes a host of other things, like so many different parameters that you will want to consider. Okay, why are we doing all that? Is because you cannot apply to 12 to 17 schools. Okay, I will, I'll probably correct myself. You can apply to 12 to 17 schools. One of my favorite clients and now friend, he has applied to 21 schools. And no one has broken his record yet. Okay, he was always an overachiever, and yeah, even the number of schools to which he attended to apply to was 21 schools. I'm not even kidding. Okay, but you are not going to be that, and you will not apply to 21 schools. It is ridiculous amount of time, effort, and money needed for that. Okay, so we highly recommend that please apply to 6 to 8 schools at the max. And how do we say that is, I will come to the logic for that, okay, in a bit. So from 12 to 17 schools. So if you sign up for the admissions consulting service, as I said, you will get the school list from us. Okay, so where we tell you like based on certain criteria and preferences, how do you get that school list? So we'll help you with that. Okay, but from the 12 to 17, how do you break it down to 6 to 8? That becomes a challenge. That is called shortlisting. Okay, it's obviously a short list and not a long list. So from a host of schools, so even from, see, right now, if you look at the number of schools in the world, the number of graduate programs in the world, there are going to be so many different ones. Okay, and then from that, how do you like get into 6 to 8, right? Becomes a challenge.